Hello friends, today we will discuss about that why do we yawn. For that, you will first have to understand what happens when we breathe. Normally when you breathe in, you inhale oxygen and your body uses it up. The body makes a waste product called as carbon dioxide that is exhaled from the lungs when you breathe out. When you are sleepy, bored or tired, you breathe more slowly. Your body requires some more oxygen and need to throw out the carbon dioxide. So your brain makes you to take an extra breath which is deep and long called a yawn so that you can take in more oxygen. Now next time if your teacher asks you that why are you yawning, you can say that her class is boring and your body needs some more oxygen for which your brain has sent a message to your lung to take an extra deep breath called the yawn. For more videos, do subscribe our channel and please keep in touch with us. Thank you.